everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a pretty little thing unboxing. Oh my god, you guys don't know how excited I am. Here it goes right here. So first I would like to say I ordered it. I would say I ordered this like last week, and it said it was going to come on July 6th. It actually came way before then. It came on June 25th. So if you are ordering Pretty Little Thing out there and it's telling you it's gonna come like a whole week later, I would say, girl, don't spend that extra dollar. If they say it's gonna come a whole week later, don't spend that extra dollar for it to come sooner if you don't need it to, okay? Just a heads up. All right, so I'm about to open this. Today is the 27th, so I did not open this yet, so I don't know what's in here. I wanted to go ahead and film me opening it, and you know, it's quarantine, so my hair was looking rough, and you know, I had to get myself right before I filmed myself. So now that I got myself right, time for me to film this to show you guys what's in here, and I want to see what's in here too. All right, I'm gonna stop talking because I really want to see what's in here. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. All right. Yeah, I don't know if this, well, just had to happen during shipping. There's a hole in my bag. All right, if you're wondering why am I on the floor in my living room, that is because I actually don't really have a good reason. I can tell you why. The blinds are closed because the lighting outside just don't know what to do. 1 second the sun is out, next second it's cloudy. I ain't got time for that, okay? Oh my god! Okay, so this is a dress that I ordered. Okay. All right, scissors, I need you. This is so cute. So this is a lime green dress. I can't wait to try it on. By the way, I will be doing a haul / lookbook. Check out that video. But look at this, this is so cute. I like the color, looks good on me. And it feels great. Okay, I can't wait to wear this. Yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah, I don't understand. I've been waiting for this. Even though I design clothes, I make clothes, I like to wear other people's stuff too, because I just love fashion. I love it. You know, I actually don't remember ordering this one. I remember ordering something white, but I didn't think it was like this. I'll have to try it on to see how I like it on me. It feels soft. Like I said, I would have to try it on to see how I like it on me. I didn't expect it to be like this in the boobs area. But I do have some pasties, so I can't wait to try it on. And another one. And another one. Okay, I remember ordering this one. I remember this one. This is a sheer dress. I wanted to step out my comfort zone. This is cute. I like it. I can't wait to try this one on. Oh, let me see in here. Oh, it's like a panty. They put some, this is kind of different. So this is like attachable panties they put in this one. I think that's pretty cool. So I don't really really have animal print. I just bought some heels that are cheetah print. So I felt like this dress will look so cute with it, and I can't wait to pair it together. So as you can see, I'm doing a dress lookbook and haul for now, and then I'll go into jumpsuits and swimwear and etc. from Pretty Little Thing. So I just ordered a whole bunch of dresses. I like this. Like I said, I don't have anything like this, so I can't wait to see how it looks on me. Let's see how it looks a little bit on me. Rare. Okay, what is next? Yeah, I bought this. Let me show y'all. I had to get it. Wait, let me make sure this is the right dress. Man, my scissors, like safety scissors. I don't want to cut. So this is a tube top dress. Guess how much I paid for this one? $5. $5. A cute, nice tube top dress that could go with anything. Y'all better get on it. And so this is just my receipt and the return policy and etc. on here. So yeah, this is the dress I've been waiting for. Yeah, I can't wait to go out with this dress. Come on, I swear these like safety scissors. I think this is so cute. It's a short dress with a split on the side. Wait to see, split on the side. One sleeve. I think this is so cute. When I saw it, this was the first dress I picked out, y'all. I thought it was so cute. And last but not least is these earrings. I wanted to, these are cute. I just wanted to expand my jewelry collection because I just been wearing the same little diamond studs, as you can see. And I like them, don't get me wrong now, I like my little diamond studs. But as a fashionista, I need to be able to step outside the box more. Every day I try to push myself more. Oh, I don't use those backs anyways. Oh, it was bent a little. But these are the earrings, so you can see. These are so cute. But you guys, those are the items. I like the way it feels. Like I told you, it said it was going. I can't talk. Like I told you, it said it was going to come July 6th, but it actually came on June 25th, so it came earlier. So if you're not in a rush to get your stuff, I would just, get the standard shipping, save you $1. It is just $1 difference, but hey, if you're anything like me, I love my coins, so $1 is a lot to me. Also, I love their packaging. They make sure everything was in a little bag. They didn't just throw everything in one big bag. They make sure everything was nice and packaged. Nothing was really damaged. The only thing, the earrings was bit up on the sides. Well, the earrings was bit in the back. But, it's nothing that you could just put it in place. You don't really have to do much. It's very easy. But besides that, nothing was damaged. Everything's here. It feels great. It looks great. I can't wait to try it. I'm a little nervous because I want to make sure it fits right on me. And there's days I feel like I look big. So hopefully today's not one of those days. But I'm going to stop talking because I'm ready to try on my dresses. Okay? Peace, y'all. Bye. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, guys. I'm gonna try this one first.